Hi everyone, in this video I'll be preparing dry meat with potato and tomato. It's gonna be a boil recipe. Even though it's a boil, the taste is superb, delicious, and it's a comfort food for me. And I'll have along with a spicy salad made from chak Hawaii, also called bashun in my dialect. I don't know in English. I'll show you the picture and all. This is chak Hawaii, also called basun in my language. Dry ones I'm keeping it for seeds. Asi chak Hawaii si winter da phangmani. Jai nganna thaba nganna saba phangrani. Liba su yaure liba singdi maru idamak thamrani next year idamak. This beans has got two varieties. This is soft cover, the other one has got hard cover. The soft cover we have it for spicy salad. Maku naubani sise singju melani. This I'll keep for seeds. Maru idamak thamrage sise. Shidi haurani fazana charani. Behang kum minga tu the behang kum kair kolai organic har go ke sang mag yo gai re hai hoi mathang da anung thong thanga ka bi magrai pok ka. I have finished cleaning them. The ingredients are dry meat. This is dry kaffir lime, Mexican coriander, also called culantro. We call this samurai, chili, a small onion, 2 tomatoes, potatoes, garlic, ginger, and I've got turmeric powder and salt. That's all. Let's start preparing it. First, let's heat up water. Put enough water. While the water is being heated up, let's shred the meat. Shred it into bite-sized pieces. See, ise sha kangbaga aloo ga tomato thongrani. Aidi sa kangje yam pamje. Atek pa hena kangban hawe le ai damak. Yam na habroi. Sha kangje mahaw yam lebne. Let's put the dry meat. Potato, chili, kaffir lime. I'll put the onion, a pinch of turmeric powder, salt to taste, thumthak chili. Put the garlic and ginger, mix it, cook this for 10-15 minutes. After that I'll put the tomato. Let's cut the tomatoes. Now the potato is almost cooked. I'll put the tomato. Cover it and cook for some time until the potato and tomatoes are cooked. Mash some potatoes, not all. Sinkrapsi, mahi ka darkar taali. Wow, wow, wow. I'll put the Mexican coriander. Now let it come to a boil, and this boiled curry will be done. It's done. Let's switch off the flame. I have put some water in a pot. Let it heat up. I'll put kaffir lime. I have put 1 bhut jolokia to soften it. I'll check it out. Now let's put the beans. I've already washed them. Boil it until all the beans are cooked. Let's check whether the beans is cooked or not. Yeah, the beans is soft. Switch off the flame and cool it down. It's done. I'll transfer here so it will cool down faster. And this I have crushed fermented fish, king chili and garlic. Manamdi haure. I'll just lightly mash the beans. This, it can't be better than this. It's ready to be served. Now it's time for me to enjoy the dishes. Let me show you. This is the bean salad. Chak hwai met pani se. This is today's special curry, dry meat curry. Along with I'm having it with pepper and some beans. And this is my rice. The dry meat I have used has got roasted flavor, roasted smell, so it's very nice. What a dish! So nice. Pukdadi thangraba, sindadi dum chaningi. Any dry meat you can use. You can use dry fish also. It's very nice. I forgot to have this. I thought this will be very spicy, but it's not that spicy. Tokpham khangdre. Haure. It's so yummy. So good. Yummy, organic, from garden, kitchen garden. I can't ask for more. ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯩꯔꯤꯕꯣꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯍꯩꯔꯤꯕꯣꯛ ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯣ, ꯄꯥꯝꯗꯕꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯌꯥꯛꯀꯅꯤ. This is plain papad. This is masala papad natte plain niya. Manipur ka khara mane. Masala di pamde. This is South Indian papad. Ngasi wadi losinjarage mathangi video de unarasi. That's all for today. Thank you very much. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe and share it, and click the bell icon as well. Bye.